Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a Toyota Land Cruiser and we've installed two slim 30-inch light bars. One is in white and one is in amber. I want to show you exactly how much light you get. These are the factory low beams. These are the factory high beams. And this is the 30-inch light bar in white. The beam pattern of this light bar is combo, which means it's in between spot and flood. A spot beam pattern is a very narrow beam, and flood scatters light everywhere. So these combo beam patterns is a perfect mixture of spot and flood to give you a good correspondence on the road. So I'm going to flicker it on and off just to kind of give you an idea. Another thing I want to point out, towards the end of this field, there's a fence there that you can't even see, even with the high beams. With a flip of a switch, you get a 30-inch light bar and everything illuminates. Everything becomes more lively. You can see there's a fence back there. The trees are lit up. But now I want to do the same comparison with the amber light bar. Amber is good for bad weather conditions, such as fog, rain, snow, and dust, because it doesn't reflect back in your eyes like white does. So I'm going to turn it on and off so you guys can see a comparison versus the high beams. So that was amber, and once again, this is white. Thank you guys for watching. I know you guys are going to love the product, and make sure to tune in and check out the full installation video. Have a great day.